biggest challenge, I think, in animal protection is a traditional, long-standing perception of how we think of animals. We think of them as things we own, things we eat, things we kill. We think about them as property. We've no longer really got the same idea. We don't have the same connection with animals. So the idea of a sausage or a burger or a steak doesn't really connect us with the idea of killing a living animal. I think the greatest impact is going to come from a change of awareness. I know that education and information is by no means a sufficient basis for change, but it is necessary. Right? There's no magic bullet. So whether you are campaigning for wild animals or for domesticated pets or for sanctuaries, or all of those things are going to count. So where should we be going? Everyone should be carrying on doing what they do. We're just doing one small part with animal rights law. It's about respect for sentience, respect for things that are alive because they're alive, and because we should be excited and thrilled and take pleasure, rather than seeing them as objects and things to be eaten or swept away or dealt with. So I think it'll feed back into our humanity. So I think the implications are really quite huge. So I'm looking forward to it.